Welcome to Papa's Workshop. Recently, I had the opportunity to try out the lights that I'll put into my shop or the garage, and I'll put a link right up above so that you can take a look at that video. But I really liked the light, and I liked it so much that I had the opportunity to try one with 5 wings. Plus, it has a light right here in the center that directs the light straight down. This, too, is an amazing light, and I want to be able to go into more detail on this light and just show you how effective these new designs are and why you should have one of these type of lights in your garage, shop, or utility shed that you have. So let's get started. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of my Patreons. And to support this channel, please go to patreon.com/papasworkshop. Again, thank you. I have to admit, for the longest time, I was very skeptical of these type of light fixtures. I avoided them, and wrongfully so. But I chose to go with the standard LED bulb or to go with the 4-foot LEDs. But I am so glad that I have tried these, and I absolutely love them. They put the light exactly where you need it, and they are extremely bright. Now, recently I did a video on the light fixture like this with the 3 wings on it that you could focus and direct light where you needed to in your garage or your shop or your utility shed. And I really liked this. In fact, I liked it so much that I wanted to take a look at another one. So a company sent this one to me, and it has the wings also, but there's 5 of them. And this gives you the opportunity to direct the light even more. Plus, it has the light that points straight down. So in essence, you're getting 6 different lights to be able to light up your garage, your shop, or your work area. And this light has a medium base also that will screw into virtually any regular socket that you have. So it makes installing this extremely easy. And once you have it in position, then you can adjust these lights, wings, as you need to be able to direct the light where you need it. Plus, you have this portion that points straight down, and it really lights up the area extremely well. Now, there's some features that I really do like about this because I like the 5 wings and I like the light that actually points straight down. And of course, these are LED, and this is considered a daylight, which means it's 6500K, and it is a very bright light. And I like the fact that you can adjust these all the way up to the vertical position, and then you can literally rotate this down as much as 90 degrees. In my situation, I like to be able to angle them and be able to point the light to specific areas. Plus, I like this portion right here where it shines straight down. The other thing with these LED lights, they will really save you a lot of money as far as your utility bills. So this is going to be reducing your usage for about 85% over a standard light bulb. So I think that that is well worth the opportunity to be able to put this into your garage, into your shop, or into your utility shed to be able to add a lot of brightness so that you can see what you're looking for in there, and at the same time save money with your energy bills. Now I'm going to go ahead and install this one in my attic near my air conditioner, so let's go do that. Now I'm in the attic, and this is just a regular standard light bulb, and you can see it's giving off some light, but quite frankly it's not a whole lot. I didn't realize just how dark it was when I was up here before. So now let's go ahead and take this bulb out and put the new one in. And to begin with, to take out that old bulb, it was already hot. But to be able to show you just how simple this is, I'm just using one hand, got the camera in the other hand, and I'm screwing this in. And there we go. We have light. That is just how easy the installation is on these new design lights. Now I can adjust the wings to be able to direct the light wherever I need it. And now let's take a look. And wow, what a difference. This is so much brighter. I can see all the way to the back corner of the attic, and now to be able to see the air conditioner, much, much brighter. The AC people will not have to bring up secondary lights anymore. Now I'm putting the second one back out into the utility shed, and you can see it's quite dark in here. But when I flip on the light, you can see it now lights up everything. With the 5 wings and the light that points straight down, it adds a lot of light. Just look around now. I can easily see everything that's hanging on the wall. And to make things even better, look at the floor. The lawnmower and that generator, it looks like it's outside in the sun. It is very bright, and I love it. So my skepticism is gone. I absolutely love these new design lights. I want to thank you for watching the video today, and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. By the way, while you're there, please, if you haven't subscribed and you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that little subscribe button and the bell notification next to it so you won't miss out on the videos that I'm uploading. Again, I want to thank everyone for watching today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next project, whatever that may be.